friends. Today we are going to learn about the simple screen recording system using Ubuntu operating system. It's very simple, easy and totally free. So we can use this many purpose in our daily life. Yes, bloggers and teachers, it's very useful. So let us start from application. All softwares in Ubuntu starting from application, as you know. So we are going to start here from application. Then just we can search application in software section. Also please type like simple screen recorder. Simple screen, it's very useful method in Ubuntu. There are many others also. We can experience others after. Just give installation process. Click on install and it will start the installation process. In my case, already installed in my system, and we can see that one in application, sound and system, and just open screen recorder. When we open this application, this is a surprise. There are many options to settings. So first of all, video input system. I suggest you to enable record the entire screen. This will record our all total form of laptop or desktop screen. Next is frame rate. It means time per second it will record very fast. So it is better to put as 30 or 60. Normally we are putting it as 30. Next is the scale value of video. We can edit using this option, all videos. The next is record cursor. As we learned before, we can use the system record cursor using highlighting. So please see the before video how we can highlight the cursor. Then just put continue. Then we can see there for what purpose you are recording your screen. It is better to choose always YouTube, because YouTube is 1080 like that the recording process. So next is browsing system, where we want to save this. So we have to select the proper folder for the recording videos. Next is container. MP4 is good because all systems are playing MP4 system. There are many other options segment, but it is better to choose as MP4. That is a good file recording system for video playing. Next is codec, and we can select there as we want. Also it is better to put as default. Default system is playing with all video playing methods and audio in audio recording system. There you can see the frame limits and the kbps. That means recording clarity for the audios also. What happened now? We have to just select the browsing operating system. Browsing. That means we have to save in a folder with a name. That's why it's showing error. Now it's correct. We can give the name also. The next continue. This is the last one. Screen recording software is ready to record our screen. Now it's showing first tab is showing to start record. Just click there, it will start automatically. But we can use many hotkeys. Ctrl plus R. I usually select this because R is represent for the recording. So If I am clicking in my in my laptop, it will automatically start. Control plus R, it will start to record. Now we can start the recording, and there is the pause system also. It is very fun, very useful for the pausing system. At last moment we can save this video. Just click on save recording, then it will stop automatically and save to the desktop our video. This is very simple and very powerful. Please try to use this, and we will meet again with another video. Thank you for watching.